Would you believe that channels on YouTube that post videos like this
The vehicle is going to be going on North Memorial southbound
actually have a deep, dark secret that they're holding? And it will not only be exposed within this video, but I'm also going to show you guys how to back engineer this method in order to get in on this monopoly that all these channels are making with all this money. Yes, you heard me. These police body cam channels are basically like running a monopoly with how much money they're making. Look at the channel Midwest Safety, for example. They're getting 50 million views every single month from their videos. Now, TubeMagic's Niche Explorer is saying that these channels are getting $9 for every 1,000 views. But let's just say, conservatively speaking, it's $6. That would mean that this channel is making over $300,000 every single month, or more than $10,000 a day from just posting these police body cam videos. And if you think this police body cam channel is the only one making this scary amount of money, well, that's not only it. Using that same $6 RPM, here's two more channels that would be making over $100,000 a month very easily by posting these same type of videos. But these channels might as well be sitting ducks, because you are going to discover their deep, dark secret in order for you to replicate these same videos that they post. And this is completely legal, as well as you'll be saving thousands of dollars by using this deep, dark secret that these channels don't want you knowing. So these types of channels seemingly popped up out of nowhere, posting these police body cam videos that got millions and millions of views that have very little editing. And the one similarity with every single one of these channels is they're completely faceless, meaning the owners of these channels don't show their identity in any type of way. And the competition within this niche versus the amount of millions and millions of views they get is unlike anything I've ever seen before. They post very little edited police body cam footage and get millions upon millions of views. And there's actually a reason for this, because police body cam content is very easy to binge watch. Because think about it, when people sit down and watch a 20-minute police body cam video, they're prompted to the next video. So they'll watch that one, and then the next video, and the next video, and they're sitting there for 3 or 4 hours just watching police body cam videos. But these types of channels exploit that. They'll prompt people to the next video and the next video and keep them binge watching to increase their session time on YouTube, thus getting millions and millions of views, because YouTube rewards them for that. And now the reason why these channels have virtually no competition is because no one actually knows how to make these types of videos. They don't know how to get the police body cam footage that these channels use. Whether it's police chasing down a thief, or a Karen calling 911 on the police literally arresting her. People don't know how to get this police body cam footage, and because of that, these top police body cam channels have stayed at the top for so long, because no one knows the secret to their methods. But not only will I show you guys how to make this method, but I'll also show you guys how you can basically steal this content, replicate it, and then use AI in order to make the videos have an increased chance of going viral. But before I show you guys that, I want to actually invite you guys to our free live training that we will be hosting, that you can join by pressing on the link in the description below, where you'll discover the secrets to 10x the growth on your YouTube channel. But not only is it free, but there's a limited amount of people who can actually attend. But you can secure your spot before it's too late by pressing on the link in the description below. So join us for our free live training to potentially 10x the growth on your channel with the secrets we tell you. So first I'm going to show you how these channels collect police body cam footage, and then I'll show you the exploit on how you can completely replicate that without paying thousands and thousands of dollars. So right here they use a website like this, where it shows you the police body cam laws for each state. Like here in Minnesota, you see SF 498, and then you can read and see what are the police body cam laws. I could also go to Florida and then read this, as well as I can go to Illinois, and I can just keep reading the laws until I find a state that will hand me police body cam footage if I simply ask under the Freedom of Information Act. Now, we'll actually have the link to that in this document that we'll have attached in the description below, as well as an outline and a disclaimer that you'll need within this video. This is completely free, and it'll be in the description below for you guys to use. This entire document is like a cheat sheet, because this is your way of obtaining police body cam footage, and then this is your description disclaimer to prevent your videos from being taken down or possibly your entire channel. Now, once they have a good state that has very lenient police body cam laws, they'll go on Google and type in like Florida man crime, just like that, and go on the news section right here and look for a humorous type of arrest story somewhere in the news section, nothing too violent. A lot of people in previous videos have been telling me these channels get demonetized all the time. Yeah, because they're getting police body cam footage that's of violent crimes. Don't get violent crimes, find humorous ones, and your channel will remain monetized. It's literally that simple, guys. Now, once you find an article like this one, a funny article, Florida man arrested for hurling fried chicken at his sister during argument. You're going to want to find the police county that this was processed in. So going down here, I'm going to look for it. Here it is. In Pinellas County right here. So what I'm going to do is copy this name of this county, Pinellas County. Now back on Google, all I'm going to do is enter that in, Pinellas County, and type in police. Now typing that in, I'm going to press on their sheriff's office and look for a contact information section. So right here, I see contact us and then records request right here. So I'm going to press on that and find an email. Here we go. There's an email right here. So I'm just going to copy that email, and then I'm going to go ahead and start sending them an email. Now they start writing an email to this police station, but what are you going to put for subject and body? Well, our document in the description below will actually have a template for this. Simply pasting that in and putting this subject right up here. You're going to want to fill out all the bold parts right here, the information that you're going to want to switch out. So for the date, I would put in the date of that news article, as well as right here, I would put Pinellas County. So I'd put right here, Pinellas County. And I want to make this actually unbold right here. So I'm going to unbold that and then just start going through and filling out all this information. So I'll go on the news article and find the event day, location, and any names I specifically can do, and just go through all this. And then I would put my contact information right here. So I put, Denis Bel, and then I would say, support@denisbel.com. Just like that, my contact information, and then boom, they'll be able to reach back out to me with the police body cam footage that I can upload on my channel. But here's the thing about this type of content that is going to turn you away, and I'm going to show you guys how to replicate this content without paying the actual thousands of dollars that people spend on these videos. Look at this Reddit post, for example, on the subreddit r/newtubers, where they tried this type of method and had to pay $572 for one police body cam video incident. Now, it's not always $600 to get police body cam footage. Sometimes it's $20 to $30. But the point is that it's expensive to run these types of channels. And the way they do it is because they make thousands of dollars every single day. So the amount of money they spend on police body cam footage is literally nothing, because they make multiples of it literally every single day. But that's why these types of channels are able to keep this niche so uncompetitive, because people don't know how to get this police body cam footage, and the ones that do know don't want to pay $600 to get police body cam footage to get these types of channels started. But what if, listen to me, just what if you're able to get this type of footage for $0, for nothing? When these types of channels are using the Freedom of Information Act and paying for these videos, they're not actually paying for the rights of the videos. They're paying for the labor it takes the police to process the videos, to review it, and then send it. They're not actually getting the rights of the clips themselves. So technically, these police body cam channels don't actually own this footage. They're technically just borrowing it from the police themselves. So if you were to take videos from these police body cam channels, repurpose them with AI, then you would have police body cam videos that you didn't have to pay a single dollar to actually retrieve the police body cam footage. Let me show you exactly how we're going to do this right now. Using an AI software called TubeMagic, which is the best AI software for YouTube on the entire internet. It's got a library of YouTube AI tools, but the first one we're going to use is the video research tool right here. And we're going to type in police body cams. Now through this tool, we're going to try finding a police body cam video with a less graphic nature. Like right here, what happens when 4 teens steal a Jaguar and live stream it on Facebook. That's a very good video, so I'm going to press on that right here. Now what you're going to want to do is copy the link to this video, and then we're going to go back to TubeMagic. Scrolling down, we're probably going to use the best tool that TubeMagic has, the Warp Upload tool. And right here, we're going to paste in the URL of the video that we just saw. So then we're gonna hit on generate. Now TubeMagic is using videos with viral optimization on YouTube, videos with millions and millions of views, and using AI, it's modeling that same viral optimization to make you the same thing. So here we go, we have 3 titles that we can use that have really good optimization. Stolen Jaguar sparks intense police hunt. Teens joyride turns into a wild pursuit. These are titles that I can use for my video. And then right here, we have an amazing description with perfect keywords for my video that TubeMagic did, all with AI viral optimization. And then right here, we have the perfect tags for my videos that we can use. So I'm just gonna press on this paperclip right here, and now I've copied these amazing tags that I can use. You've basically viral optimized your videos within just a couple of seconds by putting in the URL of the video you're modeling. Using the viral metadata from this tool right here will put you far ahead of all the competition just because you have an AI software that can do it for you in literally seconds. Do you guys not understand that? This is viral metadata right here. Now in the document we have listed below, we'll have a description disclaimer right here. And all you have to do is put this at the bottom of your description and then change this to your channel name right there and right here. And this is going to help your videos from being taken down or even your channel in general. So we'll have this for completely free in the document that will be linked in the description below. Now with that same video link you just copied back on TubeMagic's main tool page, we're gonna go to video to new script tool right here, put in the link of that video and hit on generate. Now what TubeMagic is doing is it's taking this video and writing an entirely new script, as you can see. So you don't have to sit there and paraphrase the entire video. Now you have an entire new script being written completely for you. And obviously it looks like a giant block of text, but we're only gonna be selecting specific excerpts from this. Now I'm about to show you guys how we're gonna make this video into our script, but you guys can try out TubeMagic for an entire week for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below. Think about it. You could be like that one Redditor who's paying $600 for every police body cam video, or you could just try out TubeMagic for literally just $1 with the link in the description below. It's a no-brainer for anyone running a YouTube channel because of all of the super helpful AI tools and the viral metadata. And I haven't even showed you guys the video ideas tool, the keyword research tool, or the regular scripting tool. I just showed you guys these specific ones. So simply just try out TubeMagic for an entire week for only $1 with the link in the description below. So using a video editor, in this case I'm using Veed, we're going to repurpose this content to make it fair use. Because what we need is the police body cam footage, not the stuff they edited on top of it. So for example, they put this very long intro explaining what's happening, and we're just gonna crop that part completely out. There we go, and in place of this I can add some stock video. So right here, I'm just going to add police right here, and then I'm just going to start using a bunch of police stock videos in the beginning where I'm going to put a voiceover instead. I'm also going to type in criminal as well and use something like this. Use something like this as well. Now back here on TubeMagic, we're gonna use the script that it generated us. Now right here is a block of text that really is kind of irrelevant. This is what just happens when it tries to make a script from a video that it has no context of, which is completely fine. But right here, we're just gonna copy a few sentences. So I'm just gonna copy up to this point right here. That's literally all I need right now. Then going over the stock videos I just put in, I'm gonna go over to audio right here, go to text to speech, and simply just put in a text to speech of this voice. On Veed specifically, I have a clone of my voice, so I'm just gonna use that and hit on generate.
In Ryan, Wisconsin, a concerning incident unfolded involving a black Jaguar that had been reported stolen from Gurnee, Illinois.
Now that I added my text to speech, I'm gonna add subtitles for it. So I'm gonna go to subtitles right here, select on the specific text to speech right there, and press auto subtitle. Now this took just a couple of seconds, but going over to audio right here, I'm gonna go to stock music and I'm gonna look for something like suspenseful. So I really like that one right there, so I'm gonna press on plus and then make sure that it's not too loud for my video right here at the beginning.
And as witnesses,
I'm gonna turn this up a little bit so it's not too quiet. Then as it goes into the video, I can crop it right here and then just make it fade out a couple seconds. Let's do like maybe, I don't know, like 5 seconds right here. Now you're just gonna wanna go through the entire video and cover up the parts that are edited just like that. And here's a little bit of the finished result.
In Ryan, Wisconsin, a concerning incident unfolded and ensure public safety.
71 dispatch. The vehicle is going to be going.
But now what you're going to want to do is going over to elements right here. You're going to press on this square shape. Now I'm going to make this a kind of gray color like that so it blends in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover their watermark as best as I can right here. And if I want to be a little bit extra, I can go over to my text right here, press on headline text, get a white text, and then just put in my channel's name. Let's say my channel's name is, police cam. I don't know. Let's just put it police cam, and then I'm going to put that right there, and then I'm going to lower the transparency a little bit. So I'm just going to go right here and then just lower that to 30%. Boom. And I'm also going to lower the opacity of this shape so that it just looks like this. And this also goes for their text right here. All you do is just copy that same square, paste it again, and then just cover up their text and put your own text over it. And it's simple as that. And I'm going to want to make sure to cover up this watermark for the entirety of the video just like this. You're basically using the police body cam footage, but removing all of their editing. Now at the very end of this video, this channel plugs their Patreon and starts talking about other videos. What I'm gonna do is crop that part right out, crop the watermark as well. Then I'm gonna put stock footage of a police car, and I'm gonna add more text to speech right here, pushing them into another video, pushing them to continue binge watching. I'm gonna say, if you think this police chase was crazy, just watch this next one that is probably the most intense police chase you'll ever see. And then I'm going to hit on generate. Now with my text to speech right there, I'm going to copy the same music right here and then paste it right there again. Then I'm going to crop that so it ends right as the video ends. And then I'll add subtitles for this one as well. And then theoretically, we want to add our subtitles after we've done all the text to speeches throughout the video. I just showed it earlier so I can explain to you guys how to do it. But then we would put in our subtitles as well right here, and this is how it would look like.
Police chase was crazy. Just watch this next one. That is probably the most intense police chase you'll ever see.
And then right here, you just put the end screen of your next video, pushing them to continue binge watching. And you're going to want to do this with the entire video. Just edit it up, remove their editing, and add yours, and just use the police body cam footage strictly. Now once you're done, you're just going to go and render it and then upload it to YouTube using the same warp upload results that we made in TubeMagic to give it viral optimization. Because the point of this is to grow your channel so that you can get monetized, make enough money, and then pay for actual body cam footage. There's no point of doing that if you can't have viral metadata that you can make easily with AI. So there's no excuses. You literally make it in seconds. Now this is an excellent short form strategy, but I recommend once you make enough money, retrieve the body cam footage yourself and then add a big fat watermark. Edit the video as much as possible so people can't steal it for themselves. And if you guys want to see how you can edit the raw police body cam footage, I show you guys exactly how in this free tutorial where I show you an exploit to keep people watching and have really high audience retention on these types of videos. It's a really helpful video if you want to start your police body cam channel today.